Welcome to EDUMotion, where we bring heart and knowledge together to support children and families in their learning journeys. If your child has been diagnosed with ADD or ADHD, you might feel overwhelmed, confused, or even frustrated, but here's the first truth you need to hold on to. Your child's brain is not broken, it's simply wired differently. That difference shows up in behavior, emotions, attention, and memory. And while these children may act out, forget things, or struggle with focus, they are not doing it on purpose. They're not lazy. They're not disobedient. They just experience the world differently. Supporting a child with ADHD means shifting our approach. What works for others might not work for them, and that's okay. These children are often highly intelligent, creative, full of energy, and big-hearted. But they need systems to help them succeed. Here are a few strategies that really make a difference. Clear daily routines help reduce confusion and create a sense of control. Break things into small steps and check in regularly. Simple and direct. Make success enjoyable, celebrate the wins, big or small. Too much screen time can increase distraction. Set healthy limits. More than anything, your child needs your love, your consistency, and your willingness to adapt. It's not about fixing your child, it's about creating a world where they can shine. You are not failing. You're learning how to support someone with a unique and beautiful brain. Don't miss the next chapters in this series. Chapter 2, Managing Emotions and Behavior. Chapter 3, Medication and Diet, What You Need to Know. Chapter 4, Using Sports, Games, and Brain Challenges to Focus. Chapter 5, Taking Care of Yourself While Raising an ADHD Child. You don't have to change your child, you just need to create a system that works for them. With support, structure, and love, they can thrive. And you, as their parent, can make all the difference. Subscribe to EDUMotion and join a community of parents and educators making a difference. You're not alone, and your child is not less. They're just different. And different can be wonderful.